Need to fix the Display Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before the technical guide for Display Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Display Library, a generic display management shim. It provides unmanaged routines for querying monitor properties and managing screen orientation manifests. It facilitates the orchestration of the visual data link between the OS and display hardware. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running SFC/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Display Library DLL and restore stability. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Display Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Display Library DLL. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes display library references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Display Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.